Afifa's Grilled Fish Delight. Today, Afifa Cuisine brings you an enticing culinary delight, a perfectly grilled fish that promises to be soft, juicy, and brimming with flavor. Follow these meticulous steps to master the art of grilling fish, creating a dish that is both vibrant and appetizing. Begin with 500 grams of fresh fish. It is crucial to clean the fish thoroughly, ensuring all scales and innards are removed. This preparatory step paves the way for the fish to absorb all the delicious seasonings. In the next step, infuse the fish with flavor by seasoning it with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. These classic ingredients lay the foundation for a well-seasoned dish. To enhance both aroma and taste, apply a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Follow this by adding half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder and red chili powder. These spices not only add depth to the flavor, but also give the fish a captivating color. Allow the fish to marinate for a brief 5 minutes, permitting the flavors to seep into the flesh. While the fish absorbs the flavors, proceed to heat a pan or grill over a medium flame. If your grill tends to stick, a gentle brushing of olive oil will do wonders. Carefully place the marinated fish onto the grill. Cook the fish until it turns a beautiful golden brown on both sides, flipping gently to prevent any breakage. Once cooked to perfection, finalize the dish by garnishing it with fresh coriander and lemon slices.